Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. I know it's late but still. So it's a general reading, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So we have, for Capricorns, we have the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, oh, the Ten of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Six of Wands, Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. So Capricorns, with the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Pentacles, there is something definitely in which you are not able to make up your mind. There is a lot of indecision going on and some sort of reviewing and contemplation also as to what should be your next step. So you are stuck in a situation. You are not able to move forward. You are not able to make a decision. For some reason, something has really happened over here which has left you confused. Okay, and it is just forcing you, I should say, to have a look as to what went wrong. That's what I feel. Because here we have the Ten of Swords, in which, and though the good part of the Ten of Swords is that it is a completion of whatever has happened. Okay, so whatever has happened here in the recent past, this is something which has completed, no matter how much bad you are feeling, no matter how much agonizing the situation has been, and no matter how much betrayed or stabbed you feel, how much knocked down you feel, whatever the situation has been in this recent past. But yes, this cycle is over. That is the positive part of it. But it was a situation in which you were confused. You really didn't know what to do, and it made you look back on your investments, on your decisions, on your whatever you had done, whatever the hard work you had put in a situation. It is a time that you are, this situation is forcing you to look back at it and just see, okay, what went wrong, what did I do which was wrong in this in this area, whatever this area is, which is leaving you sort of backstabbed and troubled and knocked off. But yes, there was some confusion. Maybe you picked up a wrong choice. Perhaps you made a wrong choice here. Okay, perhaps you made a wrong choice, and because of that, you are it's ending though. But yes, you are feeling cheated or betrayed and knocked down, and that is why you are just giving it a look. Okay, it's like trying to ponder and think about the things and what went wrong, why did I choose it like this, and how could I have done something better. Okay, it's not a negative thing, it is a positive thing. It's like you're just giving it the thought so that you don't repeat it again, and it's what lesson is there in this situation. It's something like that, how you could have done it better. It's something like that. And here with the Nine of Pentacles, you are definitely taking a break now. You're taking a break here. You're being single, spending time on healing. After the Ten of Swords, we have the Nine of Pentacles. So it is about the time you're giving yourself to come out of this situation, healing yourself, maybe actually taking a break. It is all about self-focus, self-worth, and trying to build yourself up again. It's something like that. And then we have the Six of Swords and the Six of Wands. So definitely here you are working on yourself, trying to move towards peace, trying to come out of this negativity, whatever this is, because you really don't want to be stuck over here. Okay, so and you don't want it to be affecting your future. So that is what you are doing. You're moving out of this negativity. You are working on yourself. You're giving the time you need to heal yourself, and then slowly and gradually you're moving towards peace. And with the Six of Wands, you are successful in that. You are very, very successful in coming out of this negativity, and here you're feeling very, very happy. Maybe even you have some sort of accomplishment here to be happy about. Okay, but for most of you, what I feel is it is about the accomplishment of being back again. Okay, I'm back, I'm ready for the new beginnings type of a thing. And just see, we have the Ace of Cups following it. So this is, you are coming out of this negativity, you have got back up to fight back again, and with the Six of Wands and the Ace of Cups, you are ready for this new beginning, which is giving you a lot of emotional contentment, and you are feeling very happy about it. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Four of Swords, what I feel is now this new beginning, you are just taking it slow. That's one thing. You don't want to rush in. With the Four of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles is the time I feel you are giving yourself again, okay, now this is a new beginning, this is my new life, and now I need to take it slow. I still need to give myself the time so that nothing, you don't repeat that thing again. So it is a time which you are giving to again, though there is a new beginning, emotional fulfillment is there, but still you are taking it slow. You are not rushing in to it. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Capricorns. This is the High Priestess of this deck with the Two of Diamonds. Okay, so the two more cards have been left here. Let's see. So this is the Two of Diamonds. It is you using your intuition, listening to your inner voice, and maybe just trying to balance things by listening to your inner voice. Whatever has happened, you're trying to sort it out and balance it out. And when I was picking up the deck, two cards stayed back. I just felt like taking them, and they're all talking about the balance, the scales. This is the Justice card of this deck, and this is the King of Hearts, which is sort of a temperance and trying to balance. So this is, I think, you're actually trying to weigh the pros and cons for the new future, as well as trying to balance your life again, which you are doing here, and trying to make balanced decisions again here in the near future, because you really don't want to feel that way again. Let's see what is the message from the angels, guidance from the angels. Messenger of action. Something new and exciting related to creativity or your career comes to your attention. You feel an eagerness to learn and you are ready to get going, although you may feel insecure. Do it anyway. This card represents someone in your life, or maybe you, who is creative, enthusiastic, and fascinated by life and who wants to try everything. So, Capricorns, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.